it's Barb again with all your plant-based recipes. Today we're going to be making stuffed bell peppers, and they're just going to be amazing. It's one of my favorite recipes. It's plant-based and it's so delicious. So the peppers tops are cut off, the insides are pulled out, they're all washed, and they're going to go into the oven right now on 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes to pre-cook them, only so that they get soft enough for when we put in the stuffing. So we're not going to waste the tops that we cut off. We're going to chop them up and use them for part of the stuffing that we put inside. We're going to add 1 large onion, chop that all up, and that's going into the stuffing as well. So we're going to add some Portabella mushrooms. We're going to chop them all up and put them into the stuffing. We also have corn and black beans, jasmine rice. So I'm adding this marinara sauce, and we're going to turn it all around like this, mix it all up, and we're going to get ready to stuff the peppers. Okay, looks like it's all good. So what we're going to do is we're just going to quickly stuff each one into the pepper. I did add some Nutritional yeast, gives it that cheesy flavor. And I have my oven, it's preheating to 350, and we're going to probably bake this for about an hour. And they're just going to be so good. So we're going to get through this. And if you have some extras left over, you can always make some more. So this is what they're going to look like. We're going to pop these right in the oven now. So we're putting them in the oven now. They're going to be on 350 for about an hour. So they're out of the oven and they look just great. These are going to be so delicious. So I let them cool down and we're going to be taking our first bite. Wow. That is really delicious. I really hope you make this at home. Make sure you click on the description for the recipe, and also click on more for all the nutrients and all of the ingredients I use. Thanks.